If you look at junior developer code, you'll see the let keyword everywhere. But if you look at production-grade enterprise code, let is almost entirely missing. Today, I'm going to show you why defaulting to const makes your code more predictable, prevents silent bugs, and introduces you to a critical concept called immutability. Let inventory count equals 100. Inventory count equals 150. This is reassignment. Const product equals SKU equals WH555, stock equals 50. Product.stock equals 25. This is mutation.
The biggest misunderstanding in JavaScript is what const actually does. Beginners think const means a value can never change. That's false. Const simply prevents reassignment. If I try to set product to a completely new object, JavaScript throws an error. But if I change a property inside the object, it works perfectly. This is called mutation.
The junior way. Let total value equals 0. For let I equals 0, I less than products.length, I++, total value plus equals products I dot price. The senior way. Const total value equals products.reduce sum item, sum plus item dot price 0. So why use const? Because it signals intent to other developers. When I see let, I immediately have to scan the rest of the file to see where this value changes. When I see const, my mental load drops. You should enforce a strict rule in your codebases. Default to const for everything. Only use let if you can mathematically prove the variable must be reassigned, like a standard for loop counter.